Hi everybody, it's Joe from Chalily, where we celebrate water in the garden. I've got a great plant for you to learn about. It's called Joseph's coat. Now that's a great name, don't you think? Joseph's coat is known as a foliage plant because of all the different colors that the foliage gives us. It can be green, it can be maroon and red, like in this example here. Sometimes even a nice pink and a white. Oftentimes it's marbled throughout the entire plant. That's why we grow it, for the interest of the foliage. Joseph's coat isn't grown for its flowers. Here's a little white flower right here. Not that spectacular, is it? I wouldn't grow this plant for that little tiny flower, but I do grow this plant and use this plant for that foliage. It gets about 12 to 18 inches tall and about that bushy also. We really need to put this one in a spot that's slightly wet to just moist. So if you have a little spot in your water garden that just gets constantly moist or constantly wet, Joseph's coat's a good choice for that. It is annual throughout most of the country, hardy to only zone 9. So that means we would have to bring this inside during the winter or toss it, get a new one next year. Joseph's coat is a great plant for full sun to part shade. So I hope you find a spot in your water garden and you add Joseph's coat. Take it from Joe and take it from Chalily. We do thank you for watching. Check us out at chalily.com, Facebook, or Instagram.